Hey, what is up? This is Ryoichi. Still haven't decided on what I'm gonna name this channel yet, so bear with me on that. Right now, we're gonna create the thumbnails for I forget the raw footage for Operation Push for 20. That's the vlog that I made a long time ago. Right now, I'm using Snapseed, and I found this out through Devin Graham. That might be his fucking name. I don't know. He makes a lot of dope videos. Check him out if that's even his name. I don't know. Click on the card above. That might be his name. Oh no, it's Devin Supertramp. That's what it is. That's what it is. It's Devin Supertramp, and he found an app called Snapseed, and I've been using that shit ever since. I use that shit for everything: thumbnails, pictures, videos, all that. Well, maybe not videos, but you get the point. Alright, so right now you see my ugly ass face doing it. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. So we're going to make the thumbnail, and we're just gonna make it crazy as possible. Just because, you know, why not? Why not? Alright. So you can tune the image and the tonal contrast. You know, you got the high tones, medium tones, and low. And I think that brings out more of the features of anything. They said glow. This just adds a glow to it. I like to do 100% saturation, and then warmth a little bit. Tools, and these are all the tools that you need. There was a lot here. You could, I'll show it all. I'll show it all. So right here, you could do the red. You could bring it all the way down, which I kind of like that for some odd reason. And then green, go up, maybe not too up, and then blue. That's too much blue. There we go. And then you could do the luminescence. I like that. We're just going crazy with it. Then you could do the white balance, but I'm not gonna do that right now. I'm not gonna show you that. And then you could crop it, rotate it. Honestly, let's flip it upside down. Just because, why the fuck not? Perspective. That's how my eyes. Just boom. And then let's do, what shall we do? HDR escape. You could do nature, people, fine, strong. We're gonna go do some strong. And then drama, which just, you could do all types of things. I actually like this one a little bit. Saturation, let's bring that up. And then let's do some vintage. I like that one. Saturation, style, strength, the vintage. There we go. And then let's do some retro lux. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe not. Okay, let's go back. Let's try some grunge. Let's try that one. Saturation, maybe. There we go. Textile strength. There we go. And then I like to add the frame, just so it's I like to add the white one, which is right here, I think. There we go. No, wait, is it this one or is it the other one? I think it's this. Yeah, there we go. It's this one. I like using this one a lot. I use it for my vlogs called RyoichiTV all the time. And then text. You know, that's let's do white just so you can see a little better. What was this one? Raw footage. Let's do raw footage. And you can see all the different types of lines, and then it goes into more I guess girly. I guess, you know, they have to put the females in there, but I like these ones a lot because I think these are dope for, like, if you have a series or a couple episodes of this. I think this would be nice, and this is makes it. Ooh, I kind of like that, honestly. But I'm not gonna do that. And then you have the bubbles for, you know, for YouTube stuff. But I like using this one, or maybe this one. Let's use this one, and let's bring it out as much as we can, and let's invert. All right, invert that shit. That's out of vignette, out of brightness. Boom, inner maybe. Nah, too much. Too much. There we go. Then add a frame. I like just touching the edges so the corners look like, especially if you're not in dark mode, it just looks like, oh, okay. It's nice. And that's how you make a no, actually no, we're gonna do another text. Well, actually, hold on. Before we do that, let's save it. Let's save the blank. We're gonna keep the blank, just so I have it as a blank. I don't got to keep doing it over and over and over and over again. So we have the blank, and then tools. Go back in the text. I like doing the first one, and then we're gonna do vlog, and then no, we'll do this operation push for 20 because that's the name of the episode, and then boom. I'm going. Oh, nope. We do. Could we do black? There we go. Yep. Maybe there we go. So it's like nice and big. Vlog operation push for 20. That's the name of the episode. The series is called, not the series, but the playlist is called Raw Footage. And then we can hit save, and it has to do it all over again because it's like technically a new whatever. And I'm just hitting export. That's all I'm doing. I'm just hitting export and saving. And the photo has been saved. This has been behind the scenes, and I showed you how to make a thumbnail. So with that said, save, pause, and do what you're doing like this. Will Weichi. I'll see you in the next one.